Alright guys, this is how you make s'mores. First off, you need a microwave, graham cracker, Hershey chocolate, and a marshmallow. First off, break the graham cracker in half. Hold on, because I put down my phone while I do that. Alright, break it in half. Put the chocolate on. It's like this, straight in the middle. Put marshmallow on top. Open up the microwave. Grab it, put it in there, make sure it's in the very middle, close it, around 15 seconds, start. And now watch. Oh my god. I think we need to call it Ghostbusters. Holy fuck. Oh, there we go. Go down. Alright. Now you got a graham cracker. Put it on there. And there you go. That's how you make it s'mores with the microwave. Have fun, ladies and gentlemen.